Hi, welcome all. Today I have general knowledge questions, a quiz in Tigrinya and English. Welcome to Teacher Kalati. Today you will face 10 exciting questions, 5 general knowledge questions, and 5 sports questions. Only the best can score 100%. Please, dear viewers, subscribe to Teacher Kalati, like and share. It's a great help for us if you subscribe. 50% of my viewers have not subscribed. Please subscribe, don't forget that. Can you score 10 out of 10? Test your general knowledge and the sports knowledge. Question number 1. First, I will read it in Tigrinya and then in English. Then I will give you 8 minutes to think and get the answer. Number 1. ኣብ ዓለም እቲ ዝነውሐ ፈለግ መን ይበሃል? What is the longest river in the world? Time, 8 seconds. Okay, answer. فلق Nile. River Nile is the answer. Number 2. ብልክዕ ሓደ ዓመት ክንደይ መዓልትታት እዩ? How many days are there in 1 year exactly? Time, 8 seconds. Answer. 365 ወይ ከዓ 366 ኣብ ዘላ ዓመት። ዘላ ዓመት means leap year. So the answer is 365, and in a leap year 365 days is the answer. Number 3. ኣብ ዓለም ክንደይ ኣህጉራት ኣለዋ? How many continents are there in the world? Okay, 8 seconds. Answer. 7 continents. The answer is 7. Number 4. ልቢ ሰብ ኣበየናይ ክፋል ኣካልና እያ ትርከብ? Where is the human heart located? Time, 8 seconds. Answer. ኣብ ፀጋማይ ደረትና or ኣብ ፀጋማይ ኣፍ ልብና በዚ ማለት እዩ ንዓይ ኣብ ፀጋማይ. Where is the human heart located? On the left side of the chest. Number 5. ኣብዚ ዓለም እቲ ዝዓበየ ውቅያኖስ መን እዩ? What is the largest ocean of the world? Time 8 seconds. Answer. ሰላማዊ ውቅያኖስ. The Pacific Ocean is the answer. Number 6. ኣብ ሜዳ ኩዕሶ እግሪ ክንደይ ተፃወትቲ ይፃወቱ? How many players are on a soccer team on the field? Time 8 seconds. Answer 11. 11. Number 7. ኣብ ኦሊምፒክ ፀወታ ኣየናይ ቦታ እዩ ወርቂ መዳልያ ዘውህበካ ወይ ከዓ ዘሸልመካ? Which place wins the gold medal at the Olympic Games? 8 seconds. Answer. ቀዳማይ ቦታ. First place is the answer. Number 8. ኣብ ፀወታ ኩዕሶ እግሪ ብዘይካ ሓላዊ ማዕፆ ኩዕሶ ብኢድ መሓዝ እንታይ ይበሃል? What is called when a player touches the soccer ball with their hand except the goalkeeper in the penalty area? Time 8 seconds. Answer. ማኖ ይበሃል። በእንግሊዝ ከዓ handball. Okay, let's go to number 9. ብዙሕ ግዜ ንጉስ ፀወታታት ዝበሃል ፀወታ እንታይ እዩ? Which sport is often called the king of sports? Time 8 seconds. Answer. ኩዕሶ እግሪ, soccer or football. Number 10. ውድድር ማራቶን ክንደይ እዩ ርሕቀቱ ወይ ከዓ ንውሓቱ? How long is a marathon race? Time 8 seconds. Answer. 42.195 kilometers. Okay. How many did you get correct? Did you get all the answers correct? Write your score in the comments, please. And remember to like, subscribe, share to Teacher Karate for more quizzes like this. As you can see, this channel is working both in English and in Tigrinya. So I think it is easy for those you speak English. It is not difficult to learn Tigrinya because I am giving it in English. And for those who speak Tigrinya also, it's the vice versa. Vice versa. You can benefit a lot. You can learn English. Okay. Dear viewers and parents, please help your children to follow us and encourage them. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the channel. Okay.